Rite Tire and Auto Center. In O Fallon, you have plenty of auto repair options to choose from, but when you want the job done right at a fair price, then up is your answer. Hiring only experienced and qualified mechanics, we've assembled an impressive team for your repair needs. Diagnostics, inspections, maintenance, oil changes, tires and wheels, engine repairs, electrical systems, windshield repair and replacement, and much more. Dial 314-585-3443 to schedule your repair visit with us. For more information, please visit our website, www.riteawaytireandautocenter.com. Or contact us through phone, 618-972-6862. You can visit our office, 3325 Route 162, Granite City, Illinois 62040. Rite Tire and Auto Center.